The euro versus the dollar is trading upwards, and so is the pound versus the dollar. This is our currency market update. Stick with me, and I'll talk more about these currency pairs and what I think is going to happen over the next couple of days. All right, so the euro is quite bullish today, and it could potentially take out 1789, which is this level up here, and that would turn me neutral at that point. In fact, I would like to turn neutral already now. So of course, when it's already short, one can just keep it. If not, then one can just sort of close it out, really. We're not so far away from the entry spot here. So let me explain now what's happening. So we had this big pattern here, or big range from July 30th up to September 20th. And as you might remember, we've been looking to buy on these moves, and that went relatively well. And then at the last time, it turned bearish, and we said we could short. So that went relatively good, but we didn't go all the way down to 115 or so, which was what I was hoping for. I said the market went upwards, down and upwards, and the trend turned bullish again. We said look to buy here and here. That went well, and then when we came down for a third time, then it didn't go well, and the price just traded to the downside. Now, if you look at this, it's actually just a big mess, right? There's not too much activity happening here. It's neither going up, it's neither going down. And we have the US presidential election coming up on November 3rd. So realistically, we're not going to see any major changes until that happens, unless for some reason the market makes up their mind that President Trump is going to win, or maybe Joe Biden, or maybe something else happen like a stimulus package. But again, I think not even the stimulus package is going to be enough really to move things around. I think it will be choppy for longer. So again, I would, if one is not in the market here, I would actually just cancel all that and look at it from the farm perspective. So we have support here, here, and here. And we tried to trade lower here a few times. That did not really work out. And I think if we do trade below this level, we might probably go down there and then maybe go even lower. On the other hand, yeah, okay, we might go down a bit and then attack the upside here, but it's not ideal. Unfortunately, it's not ideal. And the GBP versus the USD, though, we talked about this one, and here it makes far more sense, right? So over the last couple of days, we said, look to buy here. And it went good the first time, went down to the buy spot and went all the way up. So that was great stuff. That could have been a good little trade. And then we said, if we come down here again, people are going to buy. So far, we're up from that buy spot with about 61 pip. And I think probably people will continue to buy here. I think if we do go down to these levels, I see no reason why people are not going to be buying. And try to, sell a bit here and maybe sell a bit on the other side here. But what's also interesting is that, that head and shoulders pattern we talked about, the head and the left and the right shoulder, it's not looking that interesting anymore. It is morphing into something different, which again makes perfect sense ahead of the election. In fact, I would love if this market could trade sideways between these levels, because we're transforming this into a nice rectangle, possibly. Of course, 2 weeks is a long time from now, so many things can happen. But ideally, it will trade sideways from these levels, because then we can trade bullish or bearish depending on the outcome of the election. That's it for now then. That's our market update for the currency markets. Don't forget to like the video as well. Don't forget to check out the other videos we have uploaded on our YouTube channel today. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.